Okay guys, so here we are again, Stock Lock Sunday. I've got something really interesting again today. We've got one of these Vidmar cam locks, which has got the 5 sliders one side and the 5 sliders the other side. In fact, you can just see down there, you can actually see the sliders in there, and the key is just absolutely beautiful. Look at that. And of course the lock works absolutely perfectly. And it goes quarter of a turn, so it doesn't actually travel too far, but I don't know if it's some sort of ignition switch. You can see the little actuator thing pop out the back there, but yeah, just a really interesting lock, and even better when you can get the key out. And of course this was sent to me by the LockPickingBelfast. So my friend, thank you very much for sending this really interesting lock to me. Anyway, listen, the next time you see it, it will be in the vise and we will pick it open. Once again, can't take it apart. As you can see, it's all completely sealed, but let's see how we go. Okay, listen, let's get in the vise and see where we go. Okay, so as you can see, the Vidmar cam lock is in the vise, and a bit loose. Let's just move that around a bit. Okay, that's probably better. Okay, we should be fine with that. Okay, that should be fine. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the top of the keyway, and let's see where we go with it. Okay, so pin 1 binds first on the right side. Pin 5 is binding. Overset that one up. Okay, it's definitely pin 1. Three. 5's binding now. Okay, that felt good. Okay, so that goes. So I don't really know how the lock reacts really. Okay, click out 2 there. Okay, that felt like a bit of an overset. Oh, maybe not. Number 1 is binding. Okay. Oh, there you go, we're open. How about that, eh? Superb. Okay, so there you go. That is the Vidmar cam lock picked on camera. Absolutely fantastic. So it doesn't move very far, but that's it, yeah. So listen guys, I hope you enjoyed that, and of course we'll catch up with the next one. Sorry I can't take it apart, but as you can see, it is a completely sealed unit. So I really don't want to be messing around with this at all, because it's too much of a unique lock really. But so there you go, the Vidmar cam lock picked on camera. Listen guys, take care, I'll catch up with you on the next one.